Hi students, and welcome to week 6 in your online general psychology class. This week we are going to move on to chapter 4, and chapter 4 is on sensation and perception. And in this chapter you will learn how our sensory systems bring in raw sensory data through our receptor cells. So those are rods and cones in the eyes, taste buds for taste. You get the idea there that it just our sensory systems pull that information in. It's all sent to our brain, and that is where our brain processes the information and then makes sense out of what that raw sensory data is, and that is called perception. So how we take that in from our environment, go to the brain, process it, and then have perception. So you'll go through and not only learn about the different sensory organs, but also some perception phenomenons that we look at in the field of psychology. So it should be an interesting week of understanding how all of that fits together and then eventually affects our behavior. So let's take a look at this week's module. You have your PowerPoint, as always, and then you have, let's see here, a few different assignments in Connect. So a newsflash app on, this one sounds interesting, an app that stops college students from using their phones. One on top-down, bottom-up processing. This is a concept that I'll go through and teach you in the narrated PowerPoint, but how information either is processed top down or bottom up, exactly what it says there. Then you'll have one on thresholds. Thresholds is that amount of information it takes for us to be able to pick up the information. For instance, how far away could we see a candle burning on a night? How many miles away would that work? How low decibel can sound be before our ear actually hears it? So those types of things are what thresholds are. And in addition to those Connect assignments, you also have a chapter 4 quiz. So there is not a discussion question this week or a written assignment. So just those 3 Connect assignments along with the chapter 4 quiz. I hope you have a great week. Please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. You are doing an excellent job. Keep up the great work. Take care, everybody.